Today we're going to make a bird out of paper. For this craft, you will need some colored paper, you'll need a pencil or a marker, you'll need some scissors, a glue stick, and a stapler or tape. To start, fold a single sheet of paper in half, lengthwise, like a hot dog. Along the folded edge, draw a shape for your bird's body. I do a snowman or a number 8 shape, but you can do any shape you'd like. Birds come in many different shapes and sizes after all. Next, cut out your bird body. When your body's all cut out, fold it in half gently and cut a slit for the wings. You may need to ask for some help. Choose a different colored piece of paper to cut out some details for your bird's belly. This step is optional. You can glue out your bird's belly. Of course, if you've decided not to do this step, you can skip straight to the next one. Use a pencil or a marker and draw on facial features for your bird, like eyes, cheeks, speckles. Maybe you even want to draw your bird's belly on instead. If you like, you can use marker to make your details more prominent. Cut out some triangles for a bird beak. Glue your beak down on both sides. To make the wings, grab a new paper and fold accordion style. Once the entire paper is folded, you will want to fold it again in half once more. When you fan out these folds, it'll make a kind of V shape. You can repeat this step to make your bird's tail, folding an accordion style. Now, after you fold this in half, you can take your scissors and cut along the folded crease to make 2 smaller fans. Attach one of the small fans to the back end of your bird with a stapler or some tape. Be sure to ask for help from an adult with this step. Attach the wings by slipping them through the slit we cut out earlier. Fan out the papers and you are finished.